Hi, I'm Professor John Gallaugher. Welcome to this YouTube channel where I'm sharing content that I create for my students, for other faculty, and for independent learners. I hope that you find these videos useful. Here's a quick rundown of some of the topics that I cover. And by the way, all of this content is free. So first, you can use this channel to learn to program and build iOS apps. I've posted all of the videos that I use in my Zero to Full Stack Collegiate iOS course. Now, this class assumes no prior coding knowledge, but it guides students as they build a series of apps, culminating in a restaurant review app complete with multi-user login, the ability to post and share reviews with others, location tracking, plotting restaurant location on a map, and more. And it's been great to see many of my former students take engineering jobs and internships at leading firms including Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Zynga. Now, if you want to learn Excel, there's also a playlist of Excel 365 tutorials that I've used in a freshman intro to management course that I teach. Now, most of these instructional videos use examples of firms, industries, and technologies that we study in class and that we learn about through my managerial technology textbook. And all of the files used in these Excel videos can be downloaded from a Google Drive shown in each video. And there's also a lot of content for makers and those interested in physical computing. Now, new makers will find tutorials on programming using drag-and-drop Scratch-style MakeCode. You can graduate to CircuitPython projects for microcontrollers and the Raspberry Pi. I have a whole series on CircuitPython programming to control the powerful and low-cost Circuit Playground Express and Circuit Playground Bluefruit that I've used in my own classes. And you'll also find a growing list of Raspberry Pi project tutorials on topics like robotics, tech for good, the Internet of Things, and there's even some content related to technology and strategy. Now, I tend not to feature myself in any of these videos because, really, who needs to see more of this? But I figured I'll tell you a little bit about who I am. I've created the Tech Trek field study programs at my university, and I've led students on visits with senior managers, venture capitalists, entrepreneurs, and technologists at leading firms and startups worldwide, including Silicon Valley, Seattle, Boston, New York, throughout East Asia, Ghana, and Dublin. Now, my students and I have had front row seats watching tech giants grow to gargantuan size. We've had executive access to Apple product launches, including the launch of the original iPhone. I've also worked extensively helping student entrepreneurs, and many of our students have gone on to gain admission to elite entrepreneurship accelerators like Y Combinator and Techstars. They've built thriving companies, launched apps, and secured jobs throughout the tech industry. And you should expect a lot more videos over time.
Seeking Professor G, you are. Come to the right place you have.
Now, if you're a faculty member teaching business and technology, I also write a technology textbook that I update every year. It's being used by hundreds of faculty at some of the leading universities worldwide. And if you're an iOS learner and you want written reference content and additional challenge examples to accompany these videos, I've got an iOS textbook as well. Now, I work with a low-cost publisher that's fighting crazy high academic textbook prices, so hopefully you'll find your students get a better deal than through legacy publishers. Now, I hope that you subscribe to the channel, like the videos that you find useful, and share this content with others. This really helps me since it increases the chance that these videos will surface in YouTube search algorithms. And I also love hearing from remote learners, students, and especially other educators who find this content useful and who share it with their classes. So thanks for letting me be part of your learning journey. Now let's learn big and build something awesome together.